So, mga hindi pa naka-follow sa akin, this is Just Me Now or Just Beauty Manila. Just Beauty MNL, that's Manila. Yan ang aking TikTok shop, Just Beauty MNL. And then for my YouTube, search for Just Me Now. May mga cover song. Hi, Rosalina. May live streaming. Ayan. Ilang minutes na lang bago tayo bye-bye. Nag-extend lang po tayo. Actually, dapat 30 minutes lang tayo.